You can run, you can cry, but look deep in my eyes. Our love must be through. I think I'm losing it all. I don't want you to fall. So take my hand and tell me where you are. I wonder where you are.
Assalamualaikum, marhaba, hello to all my habiba habibti around the world. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't been quite frequently on YouTube or Instagram, but I'll try my best to be back there. And if you like tips, tricks and demo and tutorial, keep on watching or follow me on Facebook. This was requested since I did my mascara video and my tutorial for Korean look and eyebrows. These days I'm into February, which I did use a brown pencil. If you haven't watched my tutorial for Korean look, do watch it because I've used the same color there, and it's kind of same routine I'm doing these days, like really lightweight. And today I haven't even wear concealer, it's only a little bit of foundation, and I've used the same foundation than the videos, and I did only contour because I like to bring some warmth onto my face, as you can see. And the lipstick is the My Matte Lip Ink, if you want to know. And just to get a warmer undertone, today I've used the Dream Lip Liners Golden Rose in number 519. I do think it really looks stunning underneath this My Matte Lip Ink in number 10, and it's a warm brown, and with the 519 it brings a little bit much warmer tone, which I absolutely love. It's looking really stunning. So this tutorial is all about this bow. Like I'm saying, I've lost quite a track here. I went onto the products I've been using. So the bow here was quite requested on the videos for mascara videos for Korean look, and I did this tie here. Don't mind me, this is 2 color. This is only a tutorial just to show you because I couldn't find any headband the same color as my hijab. And this style is for especially the sensitive head and prone to severe headache. You can rock this. This is extremely lightweight, like I can't even feel anything, and I do wear this kind of style much more when I'm working because I'm prone to severe headache, and this is the style that I look forward and that I use much more frequently. Would be it will stay at the same spot because we put pins underneath the bow, you will see, and this is extremely easy to do and replicate. As for the second style is not for the prone severe headache people. And if you got long hair, I've got extremely long hair, and there's already a weight at the back, and when you put a weight here, especially with chiffon, which really tend to move, so you have to really be careful and you have to tie it really well. So if you're a person prone to severe headache, you won't be able to rock the chiffon style that I did with the bow on the second tutorial. But if you're prone to severe headache, you will be able to rock it like this, the same style but using another cloth. So I've already did my underscarf. All I had to use is a headband and a really lightweight hijab. This one I had for years now because I absolutely love it. The more I wash, the more it's lightweight and it's really thin, so I don't want something really bulky. And so all we need is a hijab, a chiffon hijab, and this one is from G's. So I'm going to put that here, and don't mind, you can wear any color because we will be pushing it at the back. And then I'm going to look for the same height. Both need to be at the same height, and then we're going to do that, and then we're going to crisscross at the back. So this one is really easy. All you have to do is take whatever hijab you'd like to do, but this style, a chiffon, a lightweight will do, because if you put too much cotton, at least if the cotton is really thin and short, it will work, but if it's too long and heavy or thick, it won't look really good. So, and pin it at the back. I'm going to tie it a little bit tighter and put it underneath whatever we have. It won't move with whatever I'll be showing you. So this is it, and we're going to take this side too and going to pin that here underneath at the back. Now the easiest part, so I'm going to pull everything here, and if you want to be on the safer side, you just take a pin and pin it like wherever you think it will move, just like this one bit. So I'm going to pin it here. Mind this because I'm going to put this here because of my neck. And then the easiest part is just to take any headband you like, any cloth, any fabric. This is like 1 meter 15 centimeter, 1 meter 25, and this is like a satin. I bought it some years ago. I got it in with another headband. You turn it into your headband and then you put it. So you might get this on everywhere they sell headbands, so, or any other color, but this color, it's really long time ago. My husband gave me one time. My husband bought so much headband for me. I was into headband and I still got them. So all I do, and then here you just do the traditional bow. So all I do is this traditional bow, and we pull. Make sure that the fabric, the color, the fabric, the printing is not like upside down. So all you do is like pull it, and then this is it. So I'm going to put pins here. Whenever you put two colors of hijab and headband, you always make sure you push the underneath because you don't want it to show, and then you do. But it will be best if it does matches the color. It doesn't match this. I'm just showing you because I can't find any headband in the blue color. You do like this. You just pin, and only one pin will do. And this one as well as this side too, we're going to pin that. This was upside down, so I've turned it. Now this is good, so I'm going to pin that here. So I'm going to take underneath this and pin it here. And this one too, this one, if you like one more pin, and this is it. Now I'm going to bring that here underneath this side, or any side you like, but underneath this side, just not to make any mess or anything. So I'm going to pin that like this, and this I'm in front of my forehead. So, and this would be it. A really nice headband, a really nice style for you to wear, and I hope this look works for you. Same height, both need to be at the same height, and then we're going to do that, and then we're going to crisscross at the back. Now here all you have to do is pull it tight, well not that much tighter if you've got sensitive head and prone to severe headache. So this one you just do like this, and if you don't want to put it too much tighter, you can even let it a little bit loose. This is what I did last time, and then I put a pin at the back, but I will show you. So all you have to do is put it here, and this side need to be extremely neat, no lumps here as well as you. And then we do a knot, we tie it here. Now what I did last time, I push underneath that one, I push it at the back because and for me to feel it's not moving, I did tie it here because on my skin, just not to move anyway because this is chiffon here. So then I did a bow, a traditional bow. I take here, and then I take this here and pull it. So if you like to leave it like that, you can even leave. Sometimes I do a bow and then I just pin whatever I want, where I want this to look like, just like this, and it does another style, but we're talking about a bow here. So now there's this bit which is a little bit big, so do not focus on this. I'm going to put that bow here, taking underneath it. As you can see, my fingers go inside, so I'm going to take underneath it and just pin it. I've just used 2 pins just to let the fabric stay whenever I want it to stay. So here, this bit I will leave it like this because I like something in front of me, and this one, because it's long, I'm going to pin it underneath this side of the bow and here. So I will take the bow and open it a little bit and put it. Now you can even leave this is really nice. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll put it underneath this, and this one comes into the remainder of the bow, and I will pin it here. I take 2 pins and I'm going to pin it here, taking half of this inside underneath it and just pin it like this. So you can see this is a nice bow here, and when I did the video, I did push it a little bit at the back. This is it, and if you don't like this too, you can even pin it here, doesn't matter. I will show you how. make sure you use a pen which doesn't want any color, because the other day I was a little bit lazy. I've used white pens which really showed into the video at the back of my head. So that one too, we're going to pin that here. I'm going to pin this here. Now this is really nice. And this side, sometimes it doesn't come the same because it depends how much length we're taking, or the bow we're pulling through, and how much fabrics are coming into it or not. And this is the bow, and I hope you like it and find it really helpful. And I don't like it to look too much bigger at the back, so this is it, and I hope you love it. Now if you don't like this one too, you can even, like, you know, pull something here and pin it here and put a pin here, and it will work. You can put a pin here, and then it's just a small kind of bow here. If you don't like it too, you can even keep it inside. It doesn't matter what your preferences are, what you like on you and what you don't like. But this is really stunning, like for a summer look, for a party look. It's really, really neat and cute.